In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create Wix e-commerce website. Now this is very quick and easy. I'm also going to show you guys the features of Wix. Now let's get started right now without wasting your time. Now in the top you want to search for wix.com. okay, now first you want to create an account. You want to click on get started in the top right, and after that guys you need to continue with Google or continue with Facebook, or you can just enter here your email, confirm email, password and stuff like that. Now I'm going to create an account using my Google account. That's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so next thing you need to do guys, it says here, who are you creating a website for? I'm going to select myself, continue. Now in the next page guys, it will say like bring your ideas or AI, like it's like Wix trying to get you into the AI, you know, the new technology that every company now is using this technology, which is the AI. Now if you want, you can just start a chat with the robot and then they will create a website for you, but I don't really like this feature. I just click on setup without AI. Okay, now as you can see what type of website you want to create. If you want to create an e-commerce website, you want to just select here an online store. Now I'm going to create a flower shop, for example. I'm going to search if there are, okay, flower shop, as you can see here, and you want to click on continue. It depends on what you want. You want to search for what you want. For example, if you want to create any type of website, just type there the website that you want to create, and they will give you guys suggestions. If you can't find suggestions, just select an online store. Now in the next page, as you can see, it says here you want to select here online store. That's it. Okay, choose the apps you would like to add. If you want, you can add different apps here. The Instagram feed, you can add video pricing plans, but for now I'm just going to add an online store and then click continue. And after that guys, you want to click on continue to the dashboard. Now in the next page guys, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here. Here it says here, like I will explain this to you in a few seconds. First you want to click on design site in the top right. Now here it says, how would you like to design your website? Now you can either select the first option, which is let Wix create a site for you, or you can select here customize a design template. Now I'm going to select customize a design template. Alright, now Wix gives you different templates, and also it says here best match. Now best match means the when I selected flower shop, they give me guys the template that has something to do with the flower shop. Okay, now I will use a different template. For example, just search for something like flowers in the top right. Okay, there are different templates to use. Okay, I'm going to use, for example, just check. Okay, let's check this one. I think I will go with okay, with this one. Okay, the first one, the flower shop. Click on edit. Now it depends. Okay, you can create, for example, a makeup shop if you want. So, okay, just search for that and it will give you different templates that you can customize. It's the same thing. Okay, the same thing, you just customize the text, you add the pages, and you add your payment method, stuff like that. It's very easy guys. It will not take any time, and this is not a complicated thing to do. It's very easy. Just wait for the website to load. I don't know why this is taking so long. As you can see, this is the template, okay, that we can customize. Now the type of site, local business, just click this X in the top right. Okay, and here as you can see, you can add elements, you can add sections, pages, you can site, as you can see, site design, you can add apps. Okay, a lot of features, a lot of tools here. Now for now, what you guys need to do now is to start customizing your online store. As you can see, these are the products. Now what you guys need to do right now, as you can see here, you just need to change. If there is something you would like to change, first you want to click this zoom button here in the top right where it says 50, make it 100, so that you can see what you are doing. Okay, as you can see, a flower. Okay, I'm going to create a flower shop, and the name of the shop is going to be this one. Now I'm going to get a name right now, flower shop name. I'm just going to get a random name. Okay, I'm going to get, for example, budget flowers. I really like this one. Okay, budget flowers. I'm going to copy this name. All right, now go back and then click on that text. Okay, and then you want to paste budget flowers. If you want, you can also click on text and then you can click on edit text, and you will find a lot of different like features here. For example, you can change the font size. You can make it a little bit smaller. I really like this one. Like, yeah, this one looks really cool. You can also change the text size. As you can see, the style. For example, you can make this. Let me check which style is the best here. As you can see, I'm going to choose the first. Yeah, the first one is really better. I think it's better. Okay, I'm going to click again edit text. I am going to change text type. As you can see, I'm going to add this one. Okay, the effects, you can also add the effects and stuff like that. Now you can also change the background. For example, this background, if you click on background, you will find here where it says change background. Click on change background and you can find a different background, or you can just upload a background, insert background from your own computer. Now I'm going to click on images. If you click on images, it will take you to this page. Now in the top, you can also search if you want to upload media from your own computer. If you already have a background, you want to upload it from your computer. If you don't have it, for example, I'm just going to search for flowers. Okay, and it will give you guys a lot of backgrounds that you can use for your store. Now I think this one looks okay. This one, I really like this one. Okay, click on change background, and as you can see, this is the new background. This new background really looks cool. I really like this background. It looks really amazing. The colors, you know, the pink. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, here you will find the products. Now if you want to sell a physical product, just click here, click on the product that are already here. These are just examples so that you can add your own products. If you can see here these products where it says I'm a product, just click on this plus button in the top left, and you want to search here for store. Okay, and then you want to select here Wix store, and you want to open it and then add these like examples, these products here. Now you want to click on one of these products and click on manage products. Now after that, guys, what you guys need is to start adding your own products. Now I'm going to delete all these products that I didn't even upload. These just are examples that Wix give you so that they can show you how it looks. Okay, now just delete all this. Click on edit, like editing options, click on delete, and then click delete. Now as you can see, it says here add your first product. I'm going to add a new product. Click on add new product. I'm going to add a physical product. Now the title, I'm going to name it, for example, okay, the best flowers for your loved ones. Okay, and then the images, I'm going to upload. Click on add images, and then I'm going to upload images from my own computer. Click on upload from computer. I'm going to search for some images about flowers, the product that I'm going to sell. I'm going to select all these. Okay, these are the images of the product. Just wait for them to, as you can see, the first image is uploaded, and as you can see, the second image. Yeah, now as you can see, I am uploading now the product image because I want to sell this product on my Wix website. Okay, so just wait a few seconds. Of course, I'm not going to go through every single step, guys, about how you can customize this website. Okay, but you get the idea. It's very easy, guys, to customize your website. Click on add to page, and if you scroll down, you can add here the description for the. I'm going to find a random description here. I'm going to get this one, for example. Looking for a romantic flower to give. I'm going to add this description here, And okay, the price, you want to add the price of the item. Okay, I'm going to add, for example, $200, okay, $20. And then here you want to add here where it says in stock, you want to select in stock here. And the shipping weight, if you don't know it, you don't really need to type there the shipping weight. And then click save in the top right. And this product now is as you can see, great. You have got more you have got 5 more steps to do. Yeah, of course you have to connect your domain name and set up shipping and delivery. You can do that here. If you don't know how to set up shipping and delivery, just search on YouTube about how to set up shipping and delivery on Wix. You'll find a lot of videos. Set up payment methods. If you click on set up payment methods, you can add PayPal button here. I'm going to click confirm, click on connect PayPal, and you can just follow the instruction, guys. You can just click on connect, and then you want to add your PayPal account. Okay, that's it. PayPal connected. It's time to upgrade your site. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can customize this. I'm going to reload the page. Just wait for it now. You can also insert videos, like for example, you can add YouTube videos about you can add your own videos about the product. For example, you have a product about flowers, like in my case I have video about flowers. Okay, I'm going to add it right now. Okay, let me check here. This is the product that I have added. This is the price of it. I'm going to make this 100. I'm going to zoom this a little bit. As you can see, this is the product I have imported to my store. Now you can add a video. For example, I'm going to click this plus button, click on, for example, okay, video and music. You can upload a video. Click on upload video, and you can change video. Click on change video, and you can click on change again video. Then click upload media. Click upload from computer, and you can upload a video from your own computer that has something to do with your business. Okay, I'm going to add this one. It's really long, it's 100. Okay, so I'm going to, yeah, I don't think it's going to take that. Okay, just wait a few seconds. As you can see, the video now is uploading. Now after you add the video, it will appear there. Just click on add to page, and that video will appear, guys. I'm going to add okay, this is the video. Click on add to page, and that video, as you can see here, you can move it anywhere. Okay, you can put it next to the product page so that people will see what they are going to buy. Okay, okay, just say something like how you make the flowers. In my case, I have to make a video about how these flowers are like the materials used to create these flowers or stuff like that. As you can see, you can, for example, if you don't like something here, you can just right click and then delete. Okay, for example, this order button, you don't like it, click delete. This text, you want to customize it, click on it, click on edit text, and that's it. And then you can start editing the text. The best flowers for very good price. Okay, you can also customize this as you want. You can add pages if you want different pages. You can add, for example, about page. If you want, you can add about page, where people will see exactly like the policies and, you know, your address. This is the about page. Yeah, that's it. Now if you don't understand anything, after you finish, guys, after you finish customizing your website, I really don't like this blue, this red, but I'm going to delete it. Right click, delete. And after you finish, guys, customizing your website, just click on publish in the top right, and then click save and continue. And again, you want to click on publish. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this site is now published, and it's okay. People can view your site now. If you give the URL to someone, they will be able to view your website. I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. See you guys next video. Please drop a like and see